Hello, in this video, we are going to learn how to buy facilities that we are going to stake in Planet IX in the OpenSea. Okay, so in this video, you are going to need your Planet IX open and then have your OpenSea open. Okay, so first of all, let's go to our OpenSea account and then have it connected to your MetaMask wallet. So make sure you have your MetaMask wallet unlocked, logged in, and then connected to your OpenSea and as well as your Planet IX. So right now we're gonna buy a facility that we're going to stake. So if you're in the OpenSea, just go to the search bar over here, click on it, and then search up Planet IX, and then enter, right? And then you will select this, you will see this, and then you will select this one, Planet IX Assets. So you click on that. We will explain later. So over here in this Planet IX Assets page, if you scroll down, you will see all of the assets Planet IX has. This is the place where you buy the assets and the NFT if you want to. There's other ways of obtaining these assets, but this is one of the ways, the fastest way. So we have different kinds here. We have badges, we have buy modes and drones and other assets. Right now, what we want is to buy a facility, right? So this is one of the facility. So we have tidal turbines, and then we have geothermal well, solar grid, radiant gardens, and fusion core. So in Planet IX, we have 5 different tiers of facilities. Each of them has its own purpose, and I'll explain more of them. So let's start with this one, tidal turbines. This is, as you guys can see, this causes very, it's not very expensive compared to the other ones. This is the most, the cheapest one. It costs 37,800 Matic. So let's click on it. So this facility cost is low. It doesn't cost that much. And basically what these facilities do is that when you have these facilities and then you stake them in the mission control, which I will show you later, what they do is that they produce energy, right? So they produce energy, and those energy, you can stake them in the IX Foundation. You can stake them for either a PIX or an IXT, but that is going to be um it's gonna be on another video. I'm not gonna explain that. Right now I'm just gonna explain the different types of facility and how to buy them and how to stake them. So this one, tidal turbines facility, this one produces energy every 16 hours, right? And for each of these facility, each of them are compatible with specific peaks of tires or territories, tires of territories. So for this one, tidal turbines, this can only be staked on top of an uncommon peaks or a uncommon territory. So you need an uncommon peaks in an uncommon territory stake on your mission control in order to stake this. You cannot stake this with another tire of peaks, only uncommon. So this is one of them. And then let's go back and then look at the other one. Look at the other type. Okay, so this is another type. This one is called geothermal well. So let's click on it. So as you guys can see, this one costs 38 Matic, right? The second cheapest. And this one produces energy every 20 hours. And it can only be staked on a common pix or a common territory. Later on, I will show you the different types of picks. If you guys are confused what kind of picks I'm talking about, if you don't know what they look like, I will show you. But I know that a common picks is color green. So, but I will show you later. Anyways, let's go to another facility. Um, Hold on. Okay, this one is another facility. This one is called Solar Grid. It costs 40 matic. And this one, this one is compatible with outlier pixes or outlier territories. And this one produces energy every 24 hours. So, yeah. And let's go to the other one. Oh, let's go to this one. Radiant Garden. So this one, this Radiant Garden is the second most powerful facility in Planet IX. This one produces energy every 12 hours, and it is compatible with a rare pix or a rare facility. Okay. And this one costs 65 USDC. In Matic, right? That's over there, 65 USDC. But if you scroll down, there's other people offering and selling this type of facility, and um hold on. Mm. This person right here is selling it for 0.582 Ethereum. Okay. Let's go to the other one, the last one, which is this one. Hold on. This one, the Fusion Core. It costs 437 matic. The Fusion Core is the most powerful facility in Planet IX. It produces energy every 8 hours, so it produces energy faster than the other ones, and it is compatible with the legendary picks. Okay. So let's go back. And now right now I want to buy a facility. And right now I want to buy the Radiant Garden facility, right? So I want to buy this. Okay, so hold on. Hi guys. So we're back again. I had to fix something because of technical issues, but now we're okay. So right now we're about to buy the Radiant Gardens facility. So right here it costs 0.0582 Ethereum, and that's $70.73, and that is in US dollars. So right now I'm gonna add it to my cart. So I'm gonna buy right now, add to cart, right? And then I'm gonna click on this cart thingy, click on it, and then payment method crypto. So we're gonna pay it with crypto, which is Ethereum. Right here, we're gonna pay 0.0582 Ethereum to buy this Radiant Garden facility. And we're gonna complete purchase, right? Now your MetaMask wallet is gonna pop up, right? And then we're gonna go down and we're gonna confirm it. So confirm. So we're using Ethereum to buy this facility. We're using Ethereum in the Polygon network. And if you take a look at your MetaMask account, if you're not sure what it is, Ethereum in the Polygon network, in your MetaMask, it shows wrapped Ethereum. So if you guys are confused and you guys are not seeing it, um, it either shows as Ethereum in the Polygon chain, or if not, then it says wrapped Ethereum. So anyways, we can view our purchase right here. We can look at the other profile and see that you bought it. So scroll down. See right here, we have it. Our Radiant Garden Planet IX assets. So now that we have successfully bought the facility, Radiant Gardens, now we can stay on Planet IX in the mission control. So let's get into that. So just go to your Planet IX, right? And then if you're not in your mission control yet, go to mission control. So usually this is what the home page of Planet IX looks like. So just go to game, right? Game. And then go to mission control and then let it load. So now we're gonna stake that facility here in our mission control. So we bought a specific mission control. So we bought a Radiant Garden, which can only be staked with a rare picks. So you can't stake it anywhere else, only with the rare picks. So if you get confused what a rare picks is, the rare picks is this one. It's a purple hexagon. So in Planet IX, there's different types of picks. We have legendary, which is this one. We have uncommon, which is the blue one, and then the common, which is the green one. And then we also have another one, outlier, white one, but we don't have it here. And we have rare one, which is the purple one. So we're gonna stake our Radiant Garden facility over here because it only works with the rare pixes. So to do that, we go to build, right? So let's go to build and then go to build again, right here. And then now we go to facility right here. So land tag facility, let's go to facility right there. And now we see one over here, rare facility. So now we click on that and now we place it over here. Over here, just click on it, build, hold on. Something's happening. Okay, there we go. There we go. Yes, confirm. So now there we have it. Yeah, so that picks, that facility will generate energy every 12 hours, and that energy can be stick in IX Foundation for a PIX or an IXD. But that's on it's a different topic, so we can talk about. So now let's just wait. Okay. Yeah, so it's all done, you guys. We don't want to wait. Now it's all done. It's closed. So we've successfully staked our facility over here in the mission control, and now it's gonna produce energy in the next 12 hours. So right here, that right here, the energy, this is what the energy is. So yeah. So guys, this is just one of the ways, the fastest way to attain a facility in Planet IX and the fastest way to stake a facility in Planet IX. We did that by going to OpenSea and actually buying it there. There are other ways to obtain a facility, like actually fulfilling the requirements in ULANs and building it there. But this is just the fastest way, the faster way. Yeah. Or if you're on the or if you're on a budget, yeah. Mhm. Mhm. Okay. 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 And that is and that is it for the video. Uh-huh.